Namaste everybody, this is Shreya and you're watching SS Craft Mantra. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a handmade pop-up book. I'm making this book for one of my favorite YouTuber and a very good friend of mine. His name is Shrikant and his channel's name is Shrees Angel. So you will get all right related videos on his channel, so do follow that.
So let's get started with the tutorial. You will need an A4 size colored sheets. This is a tissue tape. You will get this in any stationery shops. I bought this for ₹20. I had used all simple pop-up shapes which you will find in my pop-up tutorial playlist. Click on the I button to watch pop-up tutorial videos. If you enjoyed watching my videos, then do like the video, share the video and comment on the video. Thank you.